Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Wednesday. Shares in utilities, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and telecommunication services, they were in the red, while shares in household and personal products, healthcare equipment and services, and software and services, they ended on a positive note. This has 56% of SP 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Walt Disney reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of $1.61 versus $1.84 a year ago on revenue of $14.92 billion. Net income from continuing operations rising 85%. Turning overseas, Asian markets down today. The Nikkei down 0.93%. The Hang Seng down 2.39%. China CSI 300 down 1.85%. South Korea's Kospi down a little more than 3%. European markets trading lower, and U.S. futures call for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Duke Energy and Kraft Heinz, while on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have April PPI year over year, as well as initial and continuing jobless claims figures. We also have wholesale inventories at 10 o'clock in the morning. Meanwhile, in the markets, the SP 500 is where we begin with 28.31 expected. That's also in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further downside. Short positions below 28.85 are favored, with targets at 28.50 and 28.31 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, moves towards 74.85, while the Dow Jones is turning down.